Welcome to our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.
Now, platforms you can use for affiliate programs. The reason why I'm saying this is because you have options, but there are very important things we're going to talk about once you know what your options are. It's important that you do find some quality for your platforms, because once I show these to you, there's some things you want to stay in integrity with, and we're going to talk about that. But right next to these options for you is kind of the niche that these companies work with. So if you're digital products, you might go to an affiliate hub, but you can call it a program. And so you find the right place. And if you can't find the right place or you don't know how to, you can go to Google or you can go to ChatGPT and say, this is my business. I am trying to find the perfect fit for an affiliate hub. Where do I belong? And see if you can get some information from that. So there are plenty, as you can see, and much more than I have listed here. And you just want to do the research so that you're in the right place. You don't want to be somewhere where somebody does digital products and you don't sell digital products. You sell electronics. So it could be something like that. You want to do your due diligence. But here's another thing, is having a real platform like this is so important for integrity. I can't tell you how many times I have signed up for somebody's program and somehow I got lost in the whole process and I didn't get any affiliate marketing commissions. These are people I knew and I trusted. It's not about anything like that. They just didn't have a platform that could manage it, and they didn't know how to manage it. So a lot of things fell through the cracks. And I'm just trying to help you not have that happen, because I'm not going to go back to those people. I don't think they make choices that are about their marketers. And you don't want people to leave you. You want to be one of those companies that pays well and that people trust.
Thank you for watching our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.